Hello, this is Amelia from Thesis Video Tutorials with another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series. And in this video, I'm going to go through the second part of editing comments or adding a response to comments using the text editor that WordPress provides to do so. So I'm still going through this first comment here. So let's click on the quick edit to bring up the text editor here. Now I've been through the bold, the italic, the link, the block quote and the insert. It's time to have a look at the image. So this is where you can actually insert an image into the comment itself. So when you click on the image button, it will bring up a little box where you can search the URL of the image. Now I've forgotten to grab a image on my clipboard, so I'm just going to pause this very quickly and I will be right back. Okay, I've now grabbed an image, so I'll place it in here and you press OK, and it'll ask you for a description. This will be your alternate text. This is the one that the screen readers will read out to someone with a disability. It'll also add possibly a little bit of SEO to your image because Google reads text and not images. Okay, so let's put just put that because that's what it is. Alright, so you'll see all of this gobbledygook here. All this is an image tag. Now image tags doesn't have a closing tag, so it's just closed off with a / before the last bracket there. You've got the source, which is the source of the image, and that alternate text which I just spoke about then. So let's click update and you'll see that the image is now appearing here in the comment. Okay, excellent. Okay, so we'll just go back into the quick edit and we'll just remove that image. And the next thing we've got here is the list. These three buttons refer to list, so we can actually make things into a list. So I'll just move out of that comment. It's pretty hard to describe how to use a list, and it probably needs its own separate video, but really with a list, if you've got a comment such as this, so saying Ms. Reynolds and Donald O'Connor, you could actually change that into a list so it can appear as just a couple of the names underneath each other, or you could have it appearing as with a 1 beside it and a 2 beside it, so making it look like a list. I really don't want to go through it because I just think it's a bit too confusing at this stage for this video anyway, so I might do a separate video down the track. But anyway, that's how you would add in, they're the three buttons to add a list. The next one is the code, so it'll make a piece of text look like code. So I'll just highlight this love here, put the word code, and it's just going to wrap the tags code around it. So let's click update, and you see how it now puts it in a little grey box and makes it look like code. So it's just indicating that that's actually just a little bit of code. So let's go back in and now remove it. And in the next button there, we've got the lookup button, which will look up any highlighted text, or so it's a dictionary lookup. So if we click on that without highlighting any text, it'll ask us for a word to look up. So we could add, say, the word, let's put in the word Google just because we can. So it'll take us to answers.com and it will show us information with regards to Google. So to do this for some text here, let's click on coffee, highlight coffee, and let's click lookup. So this will take us to answers.com and will show us information about coffee. So I don't know, there's just something that you can do. It's pretty funky. And we've got the close tags here. So if you happen to say, if you're going to add in some text and you put in that bold there and you put in some text there, you still need to close it off. So what this close tag does is closes off and adds that closing tag for you. Okay, so that's what that does. Alright, so that's it for the comments text editor. In the next video, we are going to start going through the appearance tab of the WordPress dashboard menu. So I will see you in the very next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.